Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Gupta and today we will learn about Zigbee technology. In the video, we're going to cover the topics are introduction to the Zigbee technology, its need, its features, characteristics, topologies, modes of operations and application. So first we see what is Zigbee technology. Zigbee is based on the IEEE's 802.15.4 Personal Area Network Standard. All you need to know is that Zigbee is a specification that's been around for more than a decade. Basically, Zigbee communication is especially built for control and sensor networks. A typical example is when you have a Zigbee enabled light bulb and a Zigbee enabled light switch, and you want to light switch to control the light bulb. With Zigbee, the two devices, even if they are from different manufacturers, speak a common language, so there is no barrier to communication. Now you all think why we need different new technology when we have already so many technologies like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So there are some applications including low power device that don't require a lot of bandwidth like your smart home sensors. Zigbee does not focus on point-to-point communication such as Bluetooth, where one high-powered device sends data to another high-powered device over a short range. But it operates in a mesh network, which is why it's great for smart home. हमारे पास बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज है, वाईफाई है, ब्लूटूथ है, बट हमें फिर भी जिग्बी टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़रूरत क्यों है? क्योंकि बहुत सारी डिवाइसेस होती है ऐसी या बहुत सारी एप्लीकेशंस ऐसी है जो बहुत ज़्यादा पावर कंज्यूम नहीं करती है और जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा बैंडविड्थ रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होती है, तो वहाँ पर हम जिग्बी टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करते हैं. So now we see the features of Zigbee technology. Low power consumption, high density of nodes per network, simple protocol, global implementation, network flexibility, small size, hundreds of devices per network. Now we see the characteristics of Zigbee. Data rates of 20 kbps and up to 250 kbps. Support for low latency device. 3 frequencies bands with 27 channels. Extremely low duty cycle. Very long battery life, up to 65,000 nodes on a network. Now we see Zigbee topologies. So there are three topologies, that are star topology, cluster tree topology and mesh topology. So first we see star topology. It consists of a coordinator and several end devices. As you can see in the diagram on the screen, the end device communicate only with the coordinator. Any packet exchange between end device must go through the coordinator. Cluster tree topology. A cluster tree topology is a special case of tree topology in which a parent with its children is called a cluster. Each cluster is identified by a cluster ID. Mesh topology. Mesh topology, also referred to as a peer-to-peer network, consists of one coordinator, several routers, and end devices. So now we see modes of operation. There are two modes of operation. First one is active mode and another one is passive mode. First we see active mode. In this mode, both devices generate electromagnetic field and exchange data, and it uses two phones. Passive modes. One active device and other uses the electromagnetic field and exchange data. It uses a phone and RFID tagged host. Now we see Zigbee device type. There are total three device types. First one is Zigbee Sleepy and device, Zigbee router and coordinator. One by one we get about the three devices. Zigbee coordinator. Zigbee coordinator, one required for each GB network, initiate network formation. Zigbee router participate on in multiple multi-hop routing of messages. Zigbee end device does not allow association of routing, enables very low cost solutions. So now we see Zigbee applications. Zigbee provides the ability to run for years on inexpensive batteries for a host of monitoring and control applications. Next we had application of the Zigbee technology is that smart energy, AMR, lighting controls, building automation system, tank monitoring, HVAC control, medical device and fleet application. इसके अलावा और भी कई फील्ड में जिग्बी टेक्नोलॉजी की एप्लीकेशंस होती है लाइक इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, मेडिकल एरिया, होम ऑटोमेशन। सो वन बाय वन हम इन सारे फील्ड्स को कवर करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं जिग्बी टेक्नोलॉजी इन होम ऑटोमेशन। As we all can see, Zigbee improves comfort, keep you secure, and make your life convenient. So, how this Zigbee technology be comfortable and make convenient our home automation and our regular life? So here, Zigbee is the most widely used standard for smart homes. Each device has its own built-in wireless capability, so they do not require a router. It's just Wi-Fi, but they do require a smart hub, unlike the other two that are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Zigbee is often uncontrolled by specialized device rather than via smartphones. There has been an explosion in smart home devices over the past few years. What was once referred to as home automation and is still referred to as Internet of Things, that is IoT, has now settled into a more friendly category we call smartphone home. We have got heating, lighting, cameras, sensors for just about everything, as well as new device popping up every week to trick your home into a connected future. एज वी ऑल नो कि हमारी डेली रिक्वायरमेंट्स जो होम से रिलेटेड होती है वो बढ़ती जा रही है। जैसे हम हमारे घरों में लाइटिंग का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, फॉर सिक्योरिटी व्यूज़ कैमरा सेंसर्स, एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट कर रहे हैं, या फिर हीटिंग के लिए कुछ डिवाइस कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उन सब के लिए जिग्बी टेक्नोलॉजी एक अपना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रही है, जिसके थ्रू हमारे होम में टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू बहुत सारी ऐसी फैसिलिटीज़ है जिन्हें हम ले पा रहे हैं और काफ़ी अच्छे से हमारी लाइफ हम जी रहे हैं। सो नेक्स्ट वी सी द जिग्बी इन मेडिकल फील्ड। इन rapid growth of the technologies extend the potential for exploitations of wireless medical application market. Nowadays, thanks to the large scale wireless network and mobile computing solutions such as cellular 3G and beyond, Wi-Fi mesh and WiMAX, caregivers can access into vital information anywhere and at any time within the healthcare network. The present of the pervasive computing consisting of RFID, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and wireless sensor networking gives innovative medium for data transmission for medical applications. In this section of paper, we will highlight current uses of various wireless communication in healthcare domain. So here that's it about the Zigbee technology. Now we conclude what we see in the whole video. Zigbee will play a vital role in the mass adoption of cost-effective, low-power mesh networking technology for monitoring and control applications. Based on an open global standard used for campus-wide electrical and security system from a single computer, more flexibility for consumer-grade control over household appliances. So that's it about the Zigbee technology. I hope it will be helpful for you. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.